Let us see what do we have here for you guys today. I'm seeing someone entering your life. Whoa. O yung iba, baka nakapasok na to sa inyong life. And this person here, mukhang mako-curious siya sa'yo. In short, magkakaroon siya ng interest sa'yo. Let's get to know this person here more. Let us see. Why is this person here? And what is his or her intention? Andito ba siya para lang sa bisita or magsistay siya sa life mo? Let us see. Oh. Alam niyo sa Sun Card Energy, mga babes, no? Kadalasan sa Classic Tarot, isa lang yung figure doon, no, ng human, no? Pero dito, dalawa. Looks like. Mamaya sabihin ko sa inyo. Ano ba yan? Pabitin ka naman, miss yan. So, wait lang mga babes, no? Tapusin ko muna yung paglingin ng energies dito para syempre tuloy-tuloy yung chikahan natin, 'di ba? So, mga mare, mga mare, kumpare, yan, no? LGBTQs, of course, welcome rin kayo mga sweethearts, no? Ilatag ko muna ite. Okay? So, Eight of Swords in reverse, Wheel of Fortune, okay? Wow, look at that. This is you. This is your main energy here, sweetheart. The Queen of Cups. And you're dealing here with someone who is appearing as the Emperor's energy. Wow. Let us see. Oh. Wow. Wow. I love it. 10 of coins at the bottom of the deck. Okay? 10 of coins, Justice, Eight of Swords, the Eight of Wands energy, no? But with the Eight of Swords na minention ko, no? Yan. No? May sabihin ko sa inyo yung Eight of Swords na yan. Although nandito yung Eight of Swords na present, no? Eight of Swords in reverse ito, no? Pero yung na-mention ko na Eight of Swords, no? Upright yun. Mamaya sabihin ko sa inyo. So, bago yan, no? Batiin ko muna ang lahat ng hi! Kamusta kayo mga babes, no? Hi sa mga bagong viewers. Ako po si Yan. Tuloy po kayo. Welcome. At sa mga returning at laging nakatambay kong mga pabalik-balik na mga subscribers, thank you po sa inyong walang sawang pagtambay at warm love and support sa akin na ibinibigay. So, maraming salamat mga babes. And yun nga, wala tayong gender dito, babae, lalaki, LGBT, lahat kayo welcome. Pwede nyong palit-palitin yung roles kung gusto ninyo since this is general reading. And at the end of the day, palagi po kayong may free will, of course. Syempre naman, no, na pwede nyong sundin, gamitin, anytime, anywhere. So, yun nga mga babes, no, meron din po tayong main channel, kaya kung hindi mo pa yun nalalaman, you may check out yung channel's link sa ating description box. Nilagay ko dyan sa description box, no, para makatawid kayo dun sa main channel na The High Priestess Tarot, kung saan meron din tayong daily collective readings na ina-upload everyday. Yes, you heard it right, everyday, no? Pero just take only what resonates, ha? Okay, pick up only the messages you feel so connected with and so drawn with, okay? So, and also meron din tayo dun na mga readings per zodiac sign. Yan, no? Every week naman yan. So, yun nga mga babes, no? Let's talk about this reading more. So, kagaya ng kakabanggit ko lang na Eight of Swords na upright position yun, no? Yung nakita ko, pero yung meron dito ay Eight of Swords in reverse, which is good. Okay? nakikita ko rito na kung sino man tong kadil mo, okay? Looks like this person here, okay, ay na-stuck siya sa isang klase ng conditioning. Alam mo yung conditioning? Okay? So, parang everyday, parang predictable na yung araw niya. Paano predictable, miss, yan? Kunwari, papasok siya sa trabaho, yun lang. Pasok sa trabaho, asikasuhin yung mga tatrabahuhin, tatapusin yung mga dapat tapusin, attend ng mga meeting, seminar, no? Kakain ng lunch, no? Magko-coffee break yan, no? Uuwi, matutulog, manonood ng TV, ganun. Everyday, paulit-ulit lang, no? Eight of Swords energy, nakastuck lang siya sa isang klase ng routine, no? So, it is also an indication right here that this person here could be someone na parang stiff, no? And also this person here is also giving me this type of energy, no? Na para siyang like a robot. No? Alam mo yung robot, mga babes, no? Yung laruan ng mga bata. Okay? So, emotionless, para siyang emotionless. Para siya ritong poker face, ganyan, no? Or this person here, parang it's no fun, no? Parang walang, hindi masaya pag siya yung kasama, no? Boring, ganun, no? So, this person here could be someone as, okay, kasi I'm hearing, no? Dito kasi may lumalabas na workplace, okay? Or sa kanya rito na tinitirhan or tinutuluyan, pwedeng may mga kapitbahay, no? Na parang yung mga impressions nila or yung pagkakakilala nila dito sa person na to, ay parang robot yan. Ay parang lifeless yan. Ay parang emotionless yan. Ayokong kasama yan kasi parang boring siya. Yan. Ganun. Ano ka miss yan? Bakit yan yung kadil ko? Yan, no? So, kung sino siya mga babes na okay naman yung pinansyal niya rito, lumalabas siya bilang emperor. Yung iba sa inyo, possible na mas older siya sa inyo sa age, but doesn't have to be. Wala naman tayong age sa tarot, but this person here could be someone here na marami na rin siyang experiences, especially when it comes to work and his or her career, job, or even business. This person here, magaling rin siya rito sa kanya ritong mga trabaho at may quality talaga, may kalidad talaga, maayos, no, yung output at nagkakaroon ng success at positive outcome, no. Pero yun nga lang, maaring konti lang yung kanyang mga soul tribe or circle of friends, no? Kasi possible rin na itong person na to is someone who could be also an introvert type of person, no? So, maaring yun ang kanyang MBTI. Alam niyo MBTI mga babes, no? Di ba parang nauso yun, no? Last year lang ba or whatever, no? So, parang dun mo makikilala yung sarili mo, no? Ano ba yung klaseng personality ko or whatever yan, no? So, you might wanna try yung ganon, okay? So, it's fun, no? Yung sa akin tumugma rin, no? Kaso nakalimutan ko kung ano yung akin. Parang blah blah. So, you might wanna try, no? So, siya, nakikita ko rito na parang madalang siyang ngumiti, madalang siyang jumoin, eh, parang kunwari pag may company outing, no, hindi siya sumasama, yan, ina-approve niya or parang okay siya dun pero hindi siya sumasama or hindi siya nag-a-appear sa mga party kung may ikakasal man ng mga katrabaho or kapitbahay or whatever, no. So, parang lumalabas parang KJ siya, no, boring yung datingan dito, lifeless, parang robot lang. Kung ano yung ginagawa niya everyday, uulit lang din ulit yung tomorrow and sa susunod na araw, no, at sa mga susunod pa. So, parang naging ganun nga yung life niya, no? But, with the Sun card energy, woo! It's a miracle. Because with the Eight of Swords in reverse dito, and the very strong Wheel of Fortune right next to the Sun, this person here, after meeting you, Queen of Cups energy, ikaw to energy mo to mahal, kahit na wala tayong gender dito, ha? Ibig sabihin, okay, the Emperor right here, okay, you will be helping him or her change for the better version of himself or herself. Okay? Because sa lahat ng mga tao na dumidistansya sa kanya, iniiwasan siya kasi boring siya, may pagka-robot siya, no? You are someone who is different, no? Okay? You are someone here na hindi ko nakikita na iiwasan siya because ganyan siya, ugali niya, no? Ikaw ito, no, na maaaring appears to be somewhat weird kasi alam niya sa sarili niya na siya yung tipo ng klase ng energy na posibleng ina-avoid na magkaroon ng conversation ng kanyang mga people around him or her, but you are different. You are quite different because you always approach this person here with a smile. Okay? You're not faking that smile, but ganun ka talaga. That is the natural you. Okay? This is you, okay? Your pag-approach sa kanya, no, your manner, your personality, your behavior, and how you act in front of him or her makes him, no, or makes this person here na parang sinasabi niya sa akin na Messian Collective makes me feel comfortable. Yan, no? So, for some reason, it's quite awkward and parang at first, nagkaroon siya rito ng impression na parang, what does this collective want? Or ano bang gusto sa akin itong collective na to? Ba't ganyan niya ako ina-approach while other people avoiding me, having conversations with them, ayaw nila. But this collective, ikaw collective, no? Gusto mo siyang kausap. Binabati mo siya rito, no? At nagkakaroon ka rito ng conversation sa kanya. Okay? And I do pick up that could possibly be the longest conversation this person, okay, ay na-experience. Yan. So, nakita ko dito, no, that this person here starts to get curious about you. This person here is observing you. And this person here, no, alam mo, yung dating siya na parang lifeless, robot, walang gana, humarap sa world, na paulit-ulit yung ginagawa niya rito, no? The Emperor now learns how to smile. The Emperor now is a warm person. See? The Emperor now is soft like a tofu. The Emperor now is a happy person because of you. You change this person here to become the better version of himself or herself. And kahit siya magugulat sa kanyang pinagbago. Okay? So, nakita ko rito, no, that with the Six of Coins energy, no, Nine of Wands right here to this, see, I'm seeing that the Emperor will take your connection to the next level. You help, join hands kayo dito at mundo yung nasa gitna. You help this person here to change. Okay? You are the reason why this person's life nagkakulay or magkakakulay. No, timeless ang ating readings. Pwedeng ito ay tapos na sa iba. Sa iba nangyayari na sa kasalukuyan. Sa iba naman ay mangyayari pa lang sa hinaharap. No? So the Emperor will definitely fall in love with you. Collective. And you will marry this Emperor right here. And you are really going to marry strongly. Second confirmation, just discard energy to the Eight of Wands energy and you will have this. Wow! See? The Ten of Coins energy, you will have a very bountiful life with this Emperor right here. Okay? A lot of fun moments together because the Emperor right here, the person that you're dealing with now learned how to smile. Now learn how to live life at its fullest. Okay? Now learns how to really live. And it is because of your help. After you came or pagtapos mong dumating sa buhay niya, magbabago siya. Remember, the robot now feels the warmth. Remember, the robot now knows how to love. Remember, the robot who is keeping his or her distance with other people now knows how to talk and how to open himself with other people. And it is because of you. Ikaw ang magbabago ng buhay niya. Ikaw ang dahilan kung bakit magiging mas maganda yung takbo ng or yung flow ng kanyang lifetime period here on earth. You are the one na nakikita ko rito na makakasama niya, a partner na makakasama niya sa kanyang mundo. You are both holding the world, and that is the same world sa inyong hands. So I do see that this is something here that you will surely take as a gift or as a present from the universe. A true partnership is what I'm seeing from you guys, no? Between you and this emperor, wala tayong gender dito, but I'm seeing na magiging masagana, a very prosperous and bountiful future ang naghihintay sa inyo, awaits you guys, and wow, a lot of fun moments, a lot of beautiful memories ang magagawa ninyo together. Wow! So yeah, these are all the messages you've got right here for you, sweetheart. And muli ako po siyan, sarang hiyo, love and light. Annyeong!